Today, let's create a house selling agency flyer in Canva. So, without wasting any time, let's start the video. So, first go to Canva and search for flyer portrait. Now, choose a blank one. After that, in Elements scroll down. In Frames section, search for rectangle-shaped frames. Now adjust it like this. After that, choose a simple square from Shapes and make it the same frame size. Send it to back. Color it purple and group them. Now, adjust a pic of house on the frame and decrease its transparency. Again, go to Frames and search for square-shaped frames. Choose the one with a border line around it. Now, first rotate it to 45 degrees and place it on the one end. Now, create a duplicate of it. You can create a duplicate by just doing that. Right-click and click Duplicate. The other method to do that is, first select the subject, press Alt, and drag. After doing this step, click Ctrl+D. This will repeat your process. Now, simply just select all the squares and adjust them like this. Color the borderline as white. Here, you guys can see, I had done a few things. You can find this tag in Shapes. Here it is. Now, I will adjust a logo. If you guys have any question, please ask me in the comment box, and don't forget to like, share and comment.